guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a makeup haul slash unboxing for all the products I bought this month, December, from Big W, and I bought lots of products from Barry M because they had 40% off. And I also bought a few things from Inglot, and I also bought products from a website called Makeupnet Australia. And today I'll be showing you all the products I bought, so stay tuned. Okay, so first I'm going to start with the Barry M products that I got from Big W. So first thing is this Flawless Cheek Chisel. It's a contouring and highlighting stick. It's like a duo. Looks like this. It comes in a box, and it has the contouring and the highlighting shade. Next, I got the Baked Tri-Blend Highlighter. It's right there. Let's focus. And it's in the shade Bronze Deco. It's a mix of a golden bronzy color. I'll have a separate tutorial for using all these products for the first time, so you guys can see how it's gonna perform on my skin, and also to see how well it will stay in the heat that we have at the moment. Next we have the Flawless Matte Finish Oil Free by Barry M. It's a foundation. I've never used Barry M foundations before, so I thought it's a good opportunity to try something from them and see how it performs. It says it's matte and it's 30 grams and it's in the shade Beige. Comes in a pump. I think it's an air pump, so it's good to saving products, the air pumps, because you can use the product all the way up. So I'll try that one as well and see how it looks. I also got the Flawless Original Primer. They also had two other primers. One was a correcting blue primer, and the other one was illuminating primer, I believe. This one is 30 mils as well, and it says for all skin types, pore minimizing, smoothing and mattifying. Just like this. It comes in an air pump as well. Next I got the Ready Set Smooth by Barry M, the banana shade. It says apply to color correct, neutralize dark circles and set makeup. So this is a banana color. It's a little bit yellow. Comes in a container like this, and you can open it from here, and it's 5.2 grams. Next I got the Ready Set Smooth again, but this is the loose setting powder, and it's in a translucent color. It doesn't say what shade, but so it's white, so I believe it's the translucent one, and it's 5.2 grams as well. Next we have a Matte Me Up Lip Kit. It's a matte liquid paint and lip liner from Barry M, and it's in the shade Bespoke. So it comes in a box, so I'm just going to open to show you what's inside. there is a lip liner and a matching matte lipstick, lip paint. I also got the Lash Vegas Black Mascara. Comes like this. I don't know how the brush looks like, so I'm just gonna do a separate video so you guys can see everything working on my skin. I also got the Glitter Rush in rose quartz. I love glitters, so that's a rosy color. I also got the shade Wonderland. Thought it's very Christmas appropriate because it has a bit of green and gold, a little bit of red as well to it. So these are all from Berry M. Comes in a pot. And also a third shade of glitter called Carnival Queen. It's a more purpley pinky shade. Also got two lip glosses from Berry M. One in the shade Sugar, and the other one is the shade Peekaboo. Next from Berry M as well, I got the Liquid Chrome Highlighting Drops in the shade doesn't show. Oh, okay. It says Liquid Fortune 804. That's the shade. It's like a bronzy gold color. I think that would look really pretty on medium to dark skin tones. I also got the Flawless Light Reflecting Concealer in the shade Caramel, number 4. Lots of UK makeup artists rave about this and says really good things about it, so I thought I'll try it. It's the Flawless Light Reflecting Concealer from Berry M, and I'm in the shade number 4. Also from Berry M, a lip liner, and it's in the shade Tan. Again, I'll do some swatches at the end. Again, another glitter from Berry M. It's called Angel Wings. It's a peach gold grainy reflecting color. So pretty. Do swatches as well. From Australis, I just got the Neutralize palette because I really wanted to try and see how it performs on my eyes. It's all your neutral shades. It has lots of bronze and gold, burgundy. I really like that it has a black in it. Also have highlighting shades at the top. It's a really pretty palette, and I'll let you guys know my thoughts about it when I use it on myself. From Inglot, I got 3 products. Okay, so from Inglot, I got 2 AMC Pure Pigment eyeshadows. One in the shade 125. And it's a dual chrome pink and bronzy color. I'll do again maybe an eyeshadow makeup look using that so you can see how it looks. And also the second shade, which is 111. And again, it's a dual chrome and it has pink and it has reflects of golds in it. So from Inglot I got 3 products. I got 2 AMC loose eyeshadow. Both are dual chrome. One is a pink with a bronzy dual chrome, and the other one is a lighter pink with more golden undertones to it. And also I got the sparkling dust because I really wanted to try that. It's in the shade 02, and it comes in a box, and then you open it, and then the products in it in like a jar sifter container, and it's 2.5 grams. It's like a golden tone, so it's really pretty too. Now moving on to the Makeupnet box. Bought online. It's called Makeupnet Australia. So it just comes in like a wrapper like this. Very good wrapping, making sure that the product will not break during the shipment. So Makeupnet Australia, I'll put the link to the website in the description box below. So I got a palette, which is the Cara Beauty Galaxy palette. It looks like this. It's like a glittery palette, and it has like glitters, pressed glitters in it. It is so beautiful packaging, so pretty. It's a gold glittery packaging. It comes in your hand a little bit, but that's fine. So that's sleeve, and that's the palette, and that's the colors inside, all glittery, pressed glitters, which is really beautiful. Love the shades, all bronzy and reds and browns and golds. Have this one to try as well in one of my tutorials. First impression. And then I got a brush. That's a contouring brush from the website, the Makeupnet brand, and it's number 13. It's a small contouring brush, flat, just to use around the nose to contour with. I'll try that. And then we have the Cara Beauty, again, Galaxy Balm Liquid Eyeshadow. It's right here. And it's in the shade Seductive. It's a very nice gold, like rose gold packaging. And this is, it looks like the Stila Magnificent Metal eyeshadows, if you're familiar with that. And it's like the same thing, like it has like a applicator. It looks a bit weird, like a curved applicator. And it's really beautiful bronzy color with gold glitter in it. That's how it looks like. So pretty. Next we have a palette from Crown. Yes, Crown brushes. This one here. It's, I think a dupe for the Jaclyn Hill palette, the original one. I thought I'll try that, see how it performs. It has 35 colors. They look like this. I'll do swatches as well and try it in one of my first impressions to see how it performs. They're very beautiful neutral shades. Then it has a little bit of blues and purples down here, green, some mattes and shimmers, which is very nice. It has everything in it. It has your highlighting and has all the darker shades. So we'll give this a try and see how it performs. It comes in a very nice packaging, but very sleek and sturdy, and it has a large mirror inside. So yeah, that's the all the products from Makeupnet, and that's all the products I bought for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing all the products I bought. So I'll list all the products I have bought and the prices next to them, so you guys can check it out. It's in the description box. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading a lot more in the next few days, so please put the notification bell on so you get notified when I do new videos, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.